जवाब जेह्ड़े ना ओह् मुतमिन होए दे मुतमिन होई लिखदी जांदी इंशाल्लाह जिते नहीं ना मुतमिन होंदी है बाद ही कोई गल दस्सना जेह्ड़ा थोड़ा कनीरा जवाब दे होर पासे Buongiorno.
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 No. Signora, perché non se li porta un bacco di pomodori secchi?
And can you put your hand so I can get a proportion like that? Yeah, perfect. Huge, aren't they? I know. Yeah. I found a broccoli salad. No. Yeah, broccoli salad.
Wow, look at the tomato sauce. The tomato paste. Used in yeah. And then this is the spices, dates. The last oranges is that and the amazing all the food
scusa, yes, that one.
Ciao dear Sicily lovers and greetings from the Ortigia market. It's a nice small outdoor market. It's not so big like the one that we have, the ones that we have in Palermo, but it's very nice to see. And of course, if you join our tour of Sicily, Ortigia will be one of your home base, because Ortigia is so beautiful. The charming Ortigia, the white town, and you have to come here to experience Ortigia. You can join one of the 3 editions of the Sicily Lovers Tour next year. I have to tell you that the first edition, May 2024, is already sold out. So take a look at the other 2 editions. And Ortigia is, of course, one of your home base during our Sicily Lovers Tour. But if you want to ask us to plan a custom private tour of Sicily, you can also add Ortigia in your private tour of Sicily. Just visit our website, bestthingsToDoInSicily.com, and enjoy Sicily. We will take care of everything, and so you can have peace of mind. Oh, they are full of fresh vegetables. We have oranges, then we have Nespoli, I don't remember in English. Then we have banana and strawberry, peach and kiwi. Oh, look at this. Watermelon, pears, apples, and also here. Look, I love the market because it's so full of colors. and also full of good smell. Everything is fresh. We also have the pumpkin, the zucchini, two different kinds of zucchini, rosemary, artichoke, wild fennel. This is the wild fennel to prepare a pasta with sardines, broccoli.
Pasta with cauliflower.
What we can prepare, Massimo?
Zucchini, la cucuzza, gli artichokes.
Which
the
is your
eggplant.
favorite pasta dish in Sicily?
Pasta with sardines, pasta with swordfish and mint, and pasta also with the cauliflower
Wow, look at
and
this.
anchovy. And then also pasta with the squash, and also pasta with zucchini and pasta with asparagus.
You love everything here in Sicily. And asparagus also. Look at this. They put here in the water to
Asparagus?
so they can
Wild asparagus.
be fresh all the time.
Selvatico means wild.
And then we have vegetables, lemons, potatoes, garlic, onion, the white and the red onion. You can also have an idea of the price, of course. They also sell fresh fish. Look at this. That. Join our Sicily tours, bestthings2doinsicily.com, and enjoy Sicily with us. We help you enjoy amazing experiences in our beloved island. Ciao dear Sicily lovers, love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. Ciao!